Hi, my name is Imsan. I'm from Rotech Technical Services. We are in the second phase of Imsan project that concern of the stayover rooms that we are installation the electrical powers, the nurse call system, and the data cabling for the networking. Here we are in the room that we have made the installation for the patient that we call PACU. We have the data, we have the electrical, and we have the cable, TV cable also for them for the comfort to see television. Yes, almost done. Now we have to wait for the close of the wall.